Hello champions, welcome to day 2 of Speak English in 30 days. If you said hello to someone yesterday, give yourself a huge clap right now. You already kept your first promise. I'm so proud of you. Today is one of the most powerful days in the entire challenge. After today, you will never be stuck in a conversation again. Because today, you will master the 2 most important words in English, yes and no. Ready? Let's make you sound like a native speaker in the next 5 minutes. Today's tiny goal: you will learn 7 ways to say yes and no with perfect pronunciation and confidence. By the end of this episode, you will answer any question without panic. Say out loud right now: today I will say yes and no perfectly. Go. Perfect. First, the magic word yes. Repeat after me loud and happy. Yes. Yes. One more time like you just won $1 million. Yes. Awesome! You already sound 10 times more confident. Now the word no, strong and clear. No. No. No way! Excellent! No one can push you around in English anymore. Let's level up. Here are 5 natural ways native speakers say yes and no. I say it, you repeat immediately. Sure. Of course. Yeah. Nope. Maybe. This one is magic when you're not sure. Again, faster this time. Follow me. Sure. Of course. Yeah. Nope. Maybe. You sound like you've been speaking English for years. Time for real conversation practice. I will ask you 12 super easy questions. You only answer with one word, loud and clear. No thinking too much. Just shout your answer. Ready? Question 1. Are you ready to speak English? Your answer: yes. Question 2. Do you want to speak English fluently? Yes. Question 3. Is English difficult? No or maybe. Question 4. Can you speak English right now? Yes. Question 5. Do you like chocolate? Yes, no, maybe. Question 6. Are you tired right now? Yes, no. Question 7. Do you want to stop this challenge? No way. Question 8. Will you finish all 30 days? Yes. Question 9. Is today a great day? Yes. Question 10. Are you feeling shy? No. Question 11. Do you love English now? Yes. Question 12. Will you do today's mission? Of course. You just had a full English conversation. How easy was that? Stand up, open your phone voice recorder or front camera. I will ask you the same 12 questions again, but this time you record yourself. Speak loud, smile, and have fun. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Welcome back, superstars. Listen to your recording. You sound amazing already. Today you must answer at least 3 real questions in English using yes or no. Examples. Someone asks, "Do you want tea?" You say yes or "No, thank you." Someone asks, "Are you busy?" No or maybe. Even if the question is in your language, answer in English. When you finish, record a 5-second voice note. Day 2 mission complete. I answered in English. You're building real confidence every single day. Quick recap, your 7 power words. Yes, sure, of course, yeah, no, nope, maybe. Say them with me one final time, fast and proud. Yes, sure, of course, yeah, no, nope, maybe. You are unstoppable. Tomorrow, on day 3, we will learn how to say I am happy, I am tired, I am hungry. So you can talk about your feelings like a native, but only if you complete today's mission. Promise me out loud, I will answer 3 questions in English today. I heard you, I trust you. This is Mark reminding you, you just survived day 2 and you are getting stronger every minute. Be proud, keep going. I believe in you 1000%. See you tomorrow for day 3. It's going to be even more fun. Now go find someone and say yes or no in English. Bye for now.